Hi, I'm Alexa Philippi, a freshman at Post University. Come experience the Northeast Regional Honors Council Conference with me in Albany, New York. Mayor Sheehan welcomed us and taught us about Albany history. Then we went and explored the city. One of our destinations was the USS Slater, a World War II naval destroyer. So cool. After, I got dressed in my business clothes and I attended a formal lunch with fellow honors program students. And here they are presenting on themes of technology towards the future. Now it's my turn. My presentation was about the impacts of technology on romantic connections. I was really excited to share my research with other honors program students from all over the region. Relationship after finding my partner on a dating app. Never have I ever had social media negatively impact one of my romantic relationships. Never have I ever ghosted someone or been ghosted by someone who I was romantically interested in. I am so grateful for the opportunity to present in a professional setting as a freshman. Presentations are all wrapped up, so we went to go grab a bite to eat. Now we got dressed up and it's time to have fun at the Masquerade Gala. I had such an amazing time at this conference. Thanks for joining me.
1, 2, 3.